Okay, so moving forward, related to the same point, one more thing, you know, whenever a need comes to you, or whenever someone asks you for help, the first thought that comes to your mind is very, very important. I don't know if you guys have felt it in your life. Inshallah, you will when you grow up as well. That at times needs will come to you. Someone will tell you, you know, there's a very poor person, and they don't have money, or they have a sick person whom they don't have money to, you know, um, get them to a hospital or pay the bills and all of that. The first thought that comes to your mind is very important, and that thought is usually positive. You always think about, okay, so they need 10,000, but in my bank I have probably 100,000, so I can easily help them. But then what will happen is, if you don't action that thought, if you don't do it immediately, Shaitan will come and he will start giving you waswasas. He will tell you, you know what, you have to pay a future bill. You have to do this. This expense is coming up. There's a school fee that you have to pay your kids. Don't give this 10,000. Okay, maybe other people will help them. Give him only 2,000 or even 1,000 or 500, or you know what? You don't even need to help him. Maybe someone else will help him because your friend is talking to so many people. All of these thoughts will surround you after the first good thought that is built into us. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has built the goodness into us. The way we should operate is, the way we should action is, whenever somebody asks us for help, whenever a need comes to us, we should try to action our first thought. The first thought is, yes, I can help him, just go and help him. The more you wait, the more you say, okay, give me time to think, and you know, I will get back to you, and this and that, then most probably other thoughts will come, and Shaitan will get his time to attack you and take you off that good deed. This is just a generic point for anyone who comes to your need, and the first thought that comes to you, I think it is very important that we action it, or we commit to it, and we say that yes, we are going to give it. Okay, so let's move forward.